the daily routine. Oops. Wow, Zero, you can spin around. Wait, I got you. Oops. Zero, wait. I got you. Episode 4. Episode 4. Episode 4 is
No,
called...
it's not episode 4. It's episode Pi.
Pi, you're not...
Episode 4.
We don't care about pi. This is 4 over here. 4, 4, 4. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so episode 4. Episode 4 is called the hiccups. The hiccups. I hope you enjoy.
Well, I already did the hiccups episodes.
No, we deleted that.
Why?
Because it was dumb. What? Uh-oh. Red, please. Uh-oh. 7, please. I'm your friend. 7, please. Please. I beg you, please.
I feel much better now. Dun, dun.
Ew.
Oh boy.
Right.
What is that? Episode 4 is all the hiccups. I hope you enjoy.
Before we come back. Yeah.
But where is that other episode? What is that other hiccup episode we made?
Oh, you said that we deleted it. See, come on. You don't have to be a picky dad. Okay, you know what? There. Now I don't need
This is what they do in the olden days. This is what we do in the olden days.
Okay, so... Whoa! Hey! 3! What do you think you're doing?
What?
Oh, my heck. You did it. Oh, my heck. Yeah. Oh, my heck.
Omega Hicks was 4 tens. It was
Omega. That was 3 Omegas in 1 episode.
Where is that other episode? Okay, come episode we made. Where? Tell me. Tell me.
7, I think I should leave. Bye.
No, wait, serious.
No. Whoa. I have an idea.
Drink a glass of water backwards.
Wait, how am I supposed to...
Riesel.
Oh. Look.
I have an idea. You should drink a glass of water backwards.
I'm standing on my head. See, I'm standing on my head. That's one of my ways. And I can remove my seat to drink the water. Okay? I can just drink my seat. There. Now my teeth are water. No. And I'm spongy. So yeah. I don't feel good. At least I don't have the hiccups in them. Oh man. There they come.
I'm gonna drink all this slicky water
so that I don't have hiccups in my life. And then soon, 5 minutes later. Wow, 6, you ate that.
I can drink that water.
I guess.
I have a better I have a better idea. Wait, stand still. I have a better idea. I have a better idea. I have a better idea.
What is this supposed to be?
In their eyes.
Help me! Whoa.
You look crazy.
Whoa.
You look so crazy.
Okay.
Wait.
Stand on your head.
Wait, what's my other color? What?
Stand on your head.
I don't really.
Stand sideways. Am I supposed to do this? Drink a geared water.
Wait, what?
Normally all those tricks work.
When you have a different color. When you have a different color. Lots of mouse.
Okay, bye. Let's say bye-bye, okay? We can say bye before this, okay? But first...
And-
Whoa, what are you doing? I'm an 8 spinning around the clock, and I... Wow! And at the end, nobody wins.